How to make someone miss you without even talking to them. Are you ready to learn how to truly get someone to miss you, need you, want you more than anything in the world? Well, I've got a secret for you. It all starts with your self-concept and how you think about you. It has far less to do with this other person or trying to get their attention or make them miss you, and more to do with how you see you. This video is going to effortlessly show you how to immediately raise your self-concept so that you can start getting those results that I know you want and deserve with this person. So if there's someone that you want to miss you, to think about you nonstop, to show how much they desire you and care for you, then watch on. Because after this simple meditation, you will feel so much better about your situation. And I know if you persist in this feeling, before you know it, those results are going to immediately find you. I bet this person will end up contacting you and doing something brilliant that will blow your mind. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And watch it whenever you need a boost of good feelings. Before we get to that, if you are new to my channel, you can learn more about me, work with me one-on-one, learn about my self-study programs at dreamlifebyveronica.com. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I release new content weekly to help make your life better in every possible way. This advice comes through personal experience, so I know it works. It would mean the world to me if you would help support my channel. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get that specific person to miss you without you even needing to contact them. You are someone very special and unforgettable. Your unique qualities are unmistakable. You are someone whose absence is greatly missed when you are not there. You are someone who is memorable and one of a kind. You are someone who has value and the most lovely qualities. You absolutely light up the room with your spirit and your heart. Your inner light shines bright. You are someone whose special person always misses you, and they always care to let you know they are thinking about you and counting the moments until you can be together again. They are constantly thinking about you and wanting to see you. You never have to vie for their attention or try to get them to contact you. They do this freely, and it's so easy. You are someone who does not have to do anything special to get someone's attention. In fact, your special person is constantly jumping through hoops to get your attention and to make sure that you never leave them and never want to find anyone else. You are someone who easily receives attention from your special person. You never have to lift a finger to get the person you love the most to contact you. You have more than enough attention from your special person. So much that it almost feels overwhelming at times. It's that powerful. You are someone who is never ghosted, blocked, or ignored. You are someone whose special person always promises to do right by them. And they make good on this promise. They do right by you all the time, in ways you could have never guessed. They constantly reassure you that they will always make you happy and never ever hurt you. You are someone who always feels secure in your perfect love relationship and never feels the need to walk on eggshells to please someone else. In fact, your special person goes out of their way to please you. And you feel so safe and secure within this relationship. It feels perfect. You are someone who is always missed by the person they love the most. They always have you on their mind and can't stop thinking about you and just how amazing you are. Just how lucky they are that you love them, and just how scared they are to ever lose you. You are someone whose special person constantly dreams of them at night because they can't get you off of their mind. They insist on dreaming of you because they never want a moment to pass when you are apart. They even find themselves missing you during sleep. Even if you are sleeping right next to them, it's still not enough. They miss you that much. You are someone whose special person is very sad when you are not in their presence. They can't get enough of you, and they are constantly rearranging their schedule to spend just as much time as possible with you. You are someone whose special person loves to show them every single day just how much you mean to them and just how important you are to them. They cannot get enough of being around you and constantly miss you when you are away. Even if it is just for 5 minutes, it feels like an eternity. You are someone who is never abandoned or tossed aside. You are someone who is never forgotten because you mean so much, and your special person tells you this all of the time. They want to constantly reassure you just how much you mean to them. You are someone whose special person wants to talk to you all the time to reassure you and remind you that they are still here. They never want you to forget them or find someone else. You are someone whose special person never wants to lose you. They constantly miss the sound of your voice. Even if you are away for just a few minutes. You are someone who deserves to be in the best romantic relationship ever and have someone cherish you every single day of your life. You are someone who deserves to have their partner constantly spend time with them and to honor you and to treat you right. You are someone whose special person aches when they are not near you. They feel incomplete and like they can't be their best self unless they are with you by their side. You are someone who is yearned for and craved by their special person. They dream of how to please you and how to make sure you are never apart. They want to spend as much time as possible with you. This is what makes them the most happy. You are someone whose special person is sad when you are not together. You are someone whose special person always needs to be right next to you because they hate it when you are apart. You are someone whose special person is constantly counting the days, the minutes, the seconds, until you can spend time together again. You are someone whose special person never ever wants to let you go. They hold you dear and very close to their heart. They absolutely love to make you happy and make you smile. And they love thinking about you all day long, even in sleep. Making you happy makes them the most happy. You are someone whose special person always wants to chase and pursue you and win your heart. In fact, they try to win your heart on a daily basis, even though you've already freely given it to them. You are someone whose special person always wants to ensure that you stay together forever. You are someone whose special person always wants to ensure that you stay together forever. They love to show you just how much you mean to them. You are someone whose special person cares enough to listen to your needs and make sure that you know that they know the needs matter. You are someone whose special person does whatever they can to make you happy and to show you that your needs matter. You are someone whose special person sees you as a miracle and flawless in every possible way. A moment apart breaks their heart. They cannot bear the thought of you not being by their side forever. You are someone who deserves the best. You are someone who succeeds in love and is always missed by the person you love the most. You are someone who never needs to convince anyone to love you. You are someone whose perfect person sees you in the most beautiful way possible and wants to freely give you their love. Not just any love, but unconditional love. The best kind of love, the truest, the most magical, the most special. You are someone whose special person never wants you to wait a single second more for this perfect relationship to begin. I hope this meditation could bring you lots of happiness and success. If it worked for you, please leave a comment below. Help inspire others to do the same. I love interacting with you, so make sure to ask me questions too. I hope you have a wonderful day, and may all your dreams come true.